Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel ERP Zen. In today's video, we are going to understand about future one value set in Oracle Fusion Finance. This video is very useful if you are learning chart of accounts, value sets, or segment configuration in Oracle Fusion. So let's get started. What is future one value set? Future one is one of the mandatory segments available in the chart of accounts. It is mainly used to handle future business needs without changing COA structure. Now, let's see the navigation. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, setup financials. Now, search for the task called manage chart of accounts value set values. Now hit search. Now open this task manage chart of accounts value set values. Click on create button. Now here in value set code, give your value set code name. In our case, XX underscore ERPzen underscore future underscore one ERPzen future one. Now select module as general ledger. Select validation type as independent. Independent means values are maintained manually. So select data type as character. Now value subtype as text. Set minimum length, for example 5. Now as far as this security enabled, usually kept unchecked for future segments. Enable only if data security is required for this segment. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel ERP Zen and comment below if you want more videos on future 2 or segment assignment. Thank you for watching.